still with his immense power.
Ko ngā kōrero a tēnei tūpuna no Ngāi Tahu.
Tihei Mauri ora!
Ka tū ki te atamira.
I am Wahine Mātātoa. I am Pātahi.
She was actually such a pivotal part of New Zealand history. She was baptised by Bishop Selwyn himself. She was part of the very first lawsuit that tested the Treaty of Waitangi.
But for a long time, no one knew of her exact lineage.
Ko Cindy Diver te kaitito whakaari o Wahine Mātātoa, nā koia tētahi o ngā uri o te tipuna o Ngāi Tahu a Erihāpeti Pātahi. E ai ki aia, i whānau mai a Pātahi ngā tau kotahi mano e warurau mā tekau, nā i mate ia i te tau kotahi mano e warurau whitu tekau mā whā.
She lived through the beginning of colonisation, the influx of the boats. She was a trader, she was a whaler, sealer, greenstone fossicker, a gold miner. She did all these things right through to the point where the Pākehā started to outweigh the Māori in New Zealand.
Right now, I'm 15 years old and travel with my whānau up and down the coast between Muiraki and Awarua. Te wai painamu au!
Ko tā te kiri whakaari matua a Grace Turipa, kaore ia e tino mōhio i a Pātahi.
So I found out during a rehearsal, we were going over a scene we hadn't gone over before, and it mentions in the script about Pātahi's oldest daughter, Peti, being married to a man named Richard Sizemore, and the name Sizemore comes from my koro side, so first person to double check with is my mama, and she said, you know that's your tipuna, right?
I'm only guessing what he said because he was mostly miming that stuff because, yeah, language is hard.
No nai nei, ka tū ia hei Pātahi ki te atamira.
I took that as Pātahi kind of little nudge on the shoulder, like, kia ora, since time to share my story, and just a massive honour as well to be able to represent her from such a personal place as well, and the things that it's done for my identity as Māori as well. I've learned so much more about my whakapapa on my Ngāi Tahu side.
I'm going to paddle north towards Muiraki, where I'm going to hide until he gives up waiting or they give him a different wife. Pātahi out!
E ki ana te kōrero, i whakahengia a Pātahi e ana whānau, nā reira kaore tae te nuinga o ngā uri kia pono tā rātou whakapapa ki o tākau.
Everyone knows she came from here. Everyone knows she came from Moiraki. Everyone knows that that was the whakapapa line. So at what point do we forgive the sins of our ancestors and let the descendants rejoin the club? You know, and talk about putting names back on blue books where they deserve to be and healing those wounds for our tamariki.
We're waiting to take me away on an adventure.
Nō te pō nei, ka tū te whakaaturanga tuatahi ki te Allen Theatre i o te poti. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
This was the live